Jidoka, also known as automation, is a key concept in lean manufacturing and the Toyota Production System (TPS). The term Jidoka translates to automation with a human touch and refers to the practice of empowering machines and workers to detect problems in real time, stop the production process, and immediately address issues. By integrating Jidoka, businesses can improve quality, reduce waste, and create a more efficient and reliable production system. What is Jidoka, automation? Definition: Jidoka is the practice of building quality into the manufacturing process by allowing machines and workers to detect abnormalities or defects autonomously. When a defect is detected, production is stopped automatically, which allows immediate action to be taken to resolve the issue. The goal is to prevent the production of defective products, reduce waste, and ensure that problems are addressed promptly before they escalate. Key components: automatic stopping. Machines or systems automatically stop when a problem occurs, e.g., defective parts or machinery failure. Employee involvement. Workers are empowered to stop production lines and make decisions to fix problems. Root cause problem solving. After an issue is identified, the root cause is analyzed, and corrective actions are implemented to prevent recurrence. Who is involved in Jidoka? Jidoka involves several groups within an organization, all working together to ensure that quality is built into the production process. Operators, workers are responsible for identifying and addressing problems. They are the first line of defense when an issue occurs, and they can stop the production line to investigate and solve problems. When equipment failures occur, maintenance staff is called upon to repair or maintain the machines. Managers and supervisors support the implementation of Jidoka by ensuring that workers are empowered to stop the line and that there are systems in place to address issues effectively. Engineers design the machinery and systems with built-in detection mechanisms to detect defects and ensure seamless operation. Quality control teams monitor processes and work with operators to identify areas where defects might occur and help implement solutions. When is Jidoka used? Jidoka is applied throughout the manufacturing process, especially when the following conditions are present: high-risk or complex processes. In situations where product quality is difficult to maintain, Jidoka ensures that any deviation is quickly detected and addressed. Repetitive tasks. In repetitive processes where issues might go unnoticed until the end of production, Jidoka helps to catch errors early. High-volume production. In high-volume manufacturing, the risk of defects is higher. Jidoka helps minimize this risk by ensuring quick responses to problems. Machinery operations. When machines are part of the production process, Jidoka is used to stop the machine automatically when an issue is detected, preventing defective items from being produced. Where is Jidoka applied? Jidoka is commonly used in manufacturing environments that prioritize quality and efficiency. Its applications can be found in various industries, such as automotive manufacturing. Jidoka was famously introduced in Toyota's production lines to improve the quality and efficiency of automobile assembly. Electronics. In the production of electronics, where even small defects can lead to significant issues, Jidoka is used to detect problems early. Consumer goods. Jidoka is applied in factories that produce consumer goods where consistent quality is crucial. Aerospace and medical devices. In highly regulated industries, Jidoka ensures that quality is maintained throughout the production process. Textiles and apparel. In textile manufacturing, Jidoka helps maintain high-quality standards in fabric production. Why is Jidoka important? Jidoka plays a vital role in improving manufacturing efficiency, quality, and problem-solving in the following ways. By automatically stopping the production process when a defect is detected, Jidoka prevents defective products from continuing down the line, improving overall product quality. With Jidoka, resources such as materials, time, and labor are not wasted on producing faulty products. The ability to stop production at the source prevents the creation of unnecessary waste. Jidoka encourages workers to take ownership of the process. They are empowered to stop the production line, investigate the issue, and implement solutions. By addressing problems as they arise and analyzing their root causes, Jidoka contributes to a culture of continuous improvement and learning. With Jidoka in place, production lines operate with fewer disruptions, as problems are identified and solved quickly, reducing downtime and ensuring smooth operations. How is Jidoka implemented? Implementing Jidoka requires a combination of technological solutions, employee involvement, and continuous improvement efforts. 1. Machines and systems are equipped with sensors and devices that can detect abnormal conditions, such as defects or malfunctions. When these abnormalities are detected, the machine or production line stops automatically. 2. Workers are trained and encouraged to stop the production line whenever they notice an issue. This is done with the understanding that stopping the process is necessary for ensuring quality. 3. After stopping production, the root cause of the problem is investigated. 4. Once the root cause is identified, corrective actions are implemented to resolve the issue and prevent it from recurring. 5. Successful countermeasures are standardized across the production system to ensure consistent results. 6. The effectiveness of the countermeasures is continuously monitored, and adjustments are made as necessary. In conclusion, Jidoka, or automation, is a powerful principle that helps organizations maintain high-quality standards and efficient operations. By integrating automated problem detection and empowering workers to address issues at the source, Jidoka ensures that defects are identified and resolved quickly, minimizing waste and improving overall productivity. The use of Jidoka leads to more reliable and consistent manufacturing processes, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and operational excellence. By implementing Jidoka, companies can enhance their competitiveness, improve product quality, and create a more engaged workforce.
This quiz is designed to assess your current commitment and readiness to learn about Jidoka, automation, a key concept in lean manufacturing. Your answers will help you gauge how familiar you are with Jidoka and how dedicated you are to mastering its principles for improving quality and efficiency in operations. Be honest with your answers to get a clearer picture of your commitment. 1. How familiar are you with the concept of Jidoka, automation? A. I have never heard of Jidoka before. B. I've heard the term but don't fully understand what it entails. C. I have a basic understanding of Jidoka but haven't applied it in my work. D. I'm familiar with Jidoka and have seen it in action or used it myself. 2. How do you typically approach problem solving when an issue arises in a production or operational setting? A. I try to address the issue once it's already affected the output. B. I focus on resolving the immediate problem, without considering if it's part of a larger issue. C. I look for solutions but rarely stop the production line to investigate or address the root cause. D. I take a proactive approach, stopping the process if necessary to address issues and find the root cause immediately. 3. How comfortable are you with the idea of stopping the production line to address a defect or abnormality? A. I find it uncomfortable and would prefer to keep production running even if a minor issue arises. B. I'm okay with stopping production for critical issues, but I'm hesitant about smaller problems. C. I understand the importance of stopping production when necessary, but I haven't actively done so myself. D. I fully embrace stopping production when needed, understanding that it prevents larger problems and improves overall quality. 4. Have you ever used any problem detection systems, automation tools, or sensors to detect issues in a production process? A. No, I haven't used or interacted with any automated systems for problem detection. B. I've heard of sensors and automation tools but haven't used them myself. C. I have used some automation tools for detecting issues, but I'm still learning how they work. D. Yes, I actively use problem detection systems or automation tools to monitor production and address issues promptly. 5. How important do you think it is to stop production immediately when an issue is identified, even if it means temporarily halting output? A. I think it's more important to keep production moving and deal with issues later if needed. B. I understand the importance but would prefer to address issues without halting production. C. I believe stopping production is important, but I'm not always sure when to act. D. I believe stopping production is crucial to ensure quality and prevent defects from spreading, and I'm committed to addressing problems immediately. 6. How willing are you to learn more about Jidoka and implement its principles in your work or processes? A. I'm not sure if learning about Jidoka is necessary for me. B. I'm curious about Jidoka but haven't committed to learning more just yet. C. I am interested in learning about Jidoka and its applications, and I'm open to exploring it further. D. I am highly committed to learning about Jidoka and applying its principles to improve my work and processes. 7. How often do you reflect on and analyze the root cause of problems in your work to prevent them from reoccurring? A. I rarely reflect on the root cause of problems, I just fix them as they come. B. I try to find the root cause but tend to focus on quick fixes rather than long-term solutions. C. I attempt to analyze the root cause but sometimes miss the bigger picture or don't have a structured approach. D. I always focus on root cause analysis and strive to implement sustainable solutions to prevent issues from recurring. 8. When you encounter a recurring issue, how do you respond? A. I address the issue each time it arises, without investigating why it's happening. B. I try to solve it when it appears, but I don't have a consistent approach to understanding the underlying causes. C. I often try to address the root cause but haven't used a formal method like Jidoka to prevent recurrence. D. I use structured problem-solving techniques, such as Jidoka, to stop the process, find the root cause, and implement a long-term solution. 9. How confident are you in your ability to apply Jidoka's principles in a manufacturing or operational setting? A. I'm not confident in applying Jidoka or similar principles in a production environment. B. I have some understanding of Jidoka, but I'm not sure how to apply it effectively. C. I'm confident in applying Jidoka to some extent, but I'm still learning how to do it consistently. D. I am highly confident in applying Jidoka's principles and actively use them to improve processes and quality. 10. How do you view the role of employees in the Jidoka process? A. I think employees should focus on their tasks and let management handle any issues that arise. B. I understand that employees should report problems but am unsure about their role in stopping the production line. C. I see the value of employee involvement in stopping the line and addressing issues but haven't fully embraced this mindset. D. I believe employees play a crucial role in stopping the production line when necessary, solving problems, and improving overall quality. Scoring guide. Mostly A's. Low commitment, you are just starting to explore Jidoka and may not yet see its value in improving processes. Consider learning more about the principle of Jidoka. Mostly B's. Moderate commitment, you show interest in Jidoka but have not yet fully committed to learning its principles or applying them in practice. Mostly C's. High commitment, you're interested in applying Jidoka to improve your processes, but you might still be refining your understanding. With further learning and practice, you can fully implement Jidoka and enhance your problem-solving abilities. Mostly D's. Very high commitment, you are highly committed to learning and implementing Jidoka. You understand its value and are actively working to incorporate it into your work or operations. Continue refining your skills and seek out opportunities to apply Jidoka principles in new areas. Next steps. By completing this quiz, you've gained insight into your current commitment level to learning about Jidoka. Based on your results, consider setting a goal to explore it in more depth. Whether you're new to it or have experience with it, identifying areas for improvement can help you better contribute to process improvement and organizational success. Send your score to the email listed in the comments section and become part of our ecosystem for further future developments.